Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So we have been hearing about the highly anticipated Nokia 7610 5G, getting ready to experience next level connectivity with its blazing fast 5G speeds and cutting edge technology. It equipped with extra large 6.9-inch display that's perfect for work and entertainment. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or tackling work tasks, the Nokia 7610 delivers a crisp and immersive viewing experience. Powered by the latest Android 13, this device ensures enhanced functionality and seamless multitasking, smooth, responsive performance for effortless day-to-day usage. With a robust 7000 mAh battery, the Nokia 7610 keeps you powered for 3 days so you can stay connected without the need for frequent charging. Speaking on the price is a bit costly as rumored starting at just $300, the Nokia 7610 offers top-tier value by blending performance, style, and affordability. So, Nokia 7610 5G embrace the future with a device that's designed to elevate your mobile experience. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching, see you on my next video. Peace out.